everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Gabby's Dollhouse Pandy Paws birthday figure set. If you are a fan of Gabby's Dollhouse, you probably know that there is a new season already up on Netflix. Go check it out. My son has been binge watching it all day. So let's get this unboxed. This is Pandy Paws birthday figure set. It's only at Target. It's by Spin Master. I actually bought this online at Target.com for $24.99. If you have a Gabby's Dollhouse fan, then you're definitely going to want to pick this up. It comes with a lot of figures that you won't necessarily be able to get unless you purchase the playset separately.
And also, season 4 just came out.
That's right. He's so excited. Here we have DJ Catnip, and he has like his digital eyes. Here's Pandy Paws, and she is all covered in sprinkles. And there is Cakey, so cute. Looks like Cakey baked that cake. And we also have this adorable rotating table, just like we have with the actual Dollhouse set. Let's get this unboxed. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing videos featuring your favorite toys, products for kids and adults and collectors. Let's do this. This is the Deluxe figure set, so I'm really excited that they actually released this, only because if you don't have Gabby's Dollhouse that sings and talks and does cute things and has this adorable, the meow elevator. So we have the background for Pandy Paws' birthday, and it looks like they're in a tropical location. Cool stickers here, so you could even decorate the background if you wanted to. And what I like about this is that it's separated from the actual figures, so you don't have to worry about ruining it. Plus you have an extra area for play, so you could just pop out this perforated area and make a really nice play area for your kiddo. You could choose to keep the background intact, or you can actually take it apart, remove the perforations, and fold it at the folds. And you're gonna give yourself a new and improved decorated room for Pandy Paws' birthday. So the beauty of this Gabby's Purrfect dollhouse is that it's really modular. So you see over here, we have a room that we added separately. So cute. And you just added it into these little sections over here. Really adorable. So not only are you getting this house to play in for Gabby and all of the adorable kitty cats, but you have this other area of play where you could just keep building and keep creating new rooms just like Gabby does. So this is a really fun and neat component that you definitely should keep. Don't throw away. It helps give kids more options for pretend play. We even have this balloon arch over here along with some gifts too, so you could put that over in front of the area where Pandy Paws' birthday is. Here's DJ Catnip. You get a yellow slide, and it has the lines like a road, just like the one that you would get in the Purrfect dollhouse. A slice of cake with the paw print on it. DJ Catnip has his DJ booth, and these records spin. So cool. You can also remove this portion too if you want to take it apart for storage. It also comes with this rotating table with all these party plates on it and some cake. And if you turn it around, there is Pandy Paws' party on the next side with some more party accessories, a card and a gift bag with her face on. Then we have this Purrtastic handbag. It's shaped like a kitty cat head, and look, there's a little kitty cat poking up out of the stripe. Super cute. There's Kitty Fairy, and of course she has flowers with her. She is so adorable. I love her little tail with the flower bud. So cute. Here's Mercat. She has sprinkles on her. She's ready to party. She even has a little cupcake. Here is Cakey hard at work. She has an oven mitt, some sprinkles on her chef's hat. She created all of these delicious treats for this party. Here is the guest of honor herself. It is Pandy Paws, and she has sprinkles on her head. She's so cute. Dropping them all. And here is our surprise accessory hat box with the QR code that you could scan into the game, into the free app. And this is numbered. This is number 14, and it includes a plate of delicious kitty cat cookies with sprinkles on them. Now, you're probably wondering, where's Gabby? Yes, Gabby does not come with this set. This set is actually for people who, like I said, didn't buy the extra accessories, weren't purchasing the blind boxes, those Purrfect miniature houses to get all of these figures. So if you're looking for something that has most of the characters in it, then this is the set for you. Here's everything from Pandy Paws birthday set. So super cute. We do need Gabby though, and here she is from our own personal collection. Here is Gabby, and this is the one that actually came with the Purrfect dollhouse. So adorable. And if you want to see more of the Purrfect dollhouse, I will show that at the end of the video, and I'll just decorate it quickly so you could take a look. I've showed it many times on my other social media channels, but I'll definitely share with you guys again. Spin Master actually sent us this amazing dollhouse for free. I already had purchased it, and I'm going to be honest, I had 2 of them, and I'm like, what am I going to do? And I actually gave it to a young girl who didn't have, her mother couldn't find it for Christmas, and I felt so bad. I'm like, I was going to donate it anyway, but I was happy to see it go to a good home. So things like that make me so happy. I was able to help out a mom around Christmas time. So thank you so much to Spin Master for sending us the Purrfect dollhouse for review. My son loves this house. As you can see, it's very well played with, and we do have our accessories, and I keep them all in my Dollar Tree container. So cute. So let me get it decorated right now. And a lot of these accessories also came separately too. So we have cat rats, another variant of Gabby, and she's dressed up for Kitty Fairy in her garden. When you press her down, her glasses go up and down. She's so cute. She's actually wearing a different outfit than what she wears normally in the show, which is pretty cool. DJ Catnip's DJ board, along with DJ Catnip, also came separately in a different set. We also had some gaming controllers too that came with a lot of the extra sets. So you have a lot of different ways to play with the Gabby's Dollhouse toys. You could purchase the Purrfect dollhouse on its own, or you'll be able to purchase the extra accessories on their own. So far, we've only been able to get 1 room. This is Pillow Cat's room. This is her bedroom. It's so cute. And I just love the way it slides on and the way it slides off. If you're not completely sold on the dollhouse, a lot of kids really love when Gabby has the packages that are delivered, her special packages, and you can actually create your own moment just like you would in the show. So you could put crafts or little trinkets inside, or even a little surprise that already come with it. They drop down, and you could also load it as many times as you want, and just press the heart, and it comes out just like it would the slide in the show. Super duper cute. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. Will you be getting the Pandy Paws birthday set? Are you watching season 4? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have other rooms, let me know which ones you have. I've only been able to find Pillow Cat, and I think I found Mercat the other day, but I was holding off to see if I could find anything else. All right, guys, let me know in the comments who your favorite character is. I love cat rats so much. So cute. And of course Gabby and Pandy Paws and Keiki. I love them all. We actually met Gabby at Universal Studios in December. It was her first day out, and I'll show you some footage now. It's her first day out actually being in the park, and we got to see her. So it was so exciting. Rocco was so excited. He loves Gabby's Dollhouse. So it was so much fun. So cute. Love this show so much. So many great television shows on Netflix, and definitely Gabby's Dollhouse is one of them.
Mommy.
Yes.
They made new intro.
They did? Oh my gosh, I gotta go see it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. also want to show you my son wanted me to put everything inside the dollhouse.
Let's see what surprise we have for my dollhouse today.
Oh, I forgot to show you that it also talks too. But you could put everything inside. Just shove it in. And there's also a top layer, like a top tier where the elevator actually goes. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.